Lamborghini is gearing up to unleash its newest powerhouse, currently known only by its internal 634 code name. This upcoming model promises to be supremely powerful, building on the brand's legacy of high-performance supercars. The twin-turbocharged V8 engine at the heart of this beast already makes an impressive 789 horsepower, but the real excitement comes from the hybrid powertrain. Lamborghini's chief executive officer, Stephan Winkelmann, recently hinted that the combined output from the engine and electric motors will exceed 887 horsepower. Winkelmann's recent LinkedIn post officially introduced the 634, revealing the system's output with both the engine and electric motors combined. Although he did not divulge many specifics, he suggested that the final figure could even surpass 900 horsepower. This reveal follows Lamborghini's earlier announcement regarding the V8 engine. The new 4.0-liter engine, distinct from the 3.8-liter version used in the SC63 LMDh prototype, achieves its 789 horsepower by revving up to 10,000 revolutions per minute with a flat plane crank and a race-inspired finger-follower valvetrain. The peak power is delivered between 9,000 and 9,750 revolutions per minute, while the maximum torque of 538 pound-feet is available between 4,000 and 7,000 revolutions per minute. Details about the hybrid system are still sparse. It is confirmed to be a three-motor setup, with one motor integrated between the engine and transmission. The placement of the other two motors is not specified, but it is likely they will be mounted at the front wheels. While Lamborghini has not mentioned the electric-only output, basic calculations indicate that the electric components will contribute around 100 horsepower to the total system. The successor to the Huracan is set to debut in August. Enthusiasts can expect Lamborghini to release additional teasers and details in the lead-up to the grand unveiling. This new model is poised to redefine performance and hybrid technology in the supercar segment, continuing Lamborghini's tradition of pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering.